Adding or editing content in Kadanza is an easy process. Just go to your editor mode, and from here you can directly start changing the content. And if you click enter here, you will see that the plus sign on the top left will become visible. So once you click, you will see all the components that you can add. And for now, let's add an ordered list, and you can just start typing. And once you enter, it will open the other bullet point, and once you enter again, it will just remove it. So you can start adding a new component. And for now, let's add a divider. And let's add an image. And to add an image, you can click here, you can upload an image, or you can just go to your asset manager and you can choose the image that you would like to use. Let's choose this one. And on the top, you can move it to the left, move it to the right, or you can put it in the center. And from image options, you can choose the interactivity. You can choose none, or you can allow image links. So once you click on the image, it will open a link. Let's close it, and you can delete it as well. And let's add a button. So you can just type anything you want. And then from the link settings, you can add the URL, email, or entry point from Kadanza. Let's put kadanza.com, and you have the option to check open in a new tab or not. Let's enter, and now it will just open it once you click on it. So for now, the examples are good enough. We can just close it if you didn't like the changes we made, or you can just save it as a draft. So you can come back again and make changes, or you can directly save and publish it for everyone.